So what are we doing today, Sam?
We are going to replace some fence panels that Jenna's just taken down from here. The fence is in a shocking state, but we're going to try and salvage what we can. Put up 4 new Waney Edge, or 3 new Waney Edge and 4 posts through here. Then over there we've got some close boarded panels just to slot in. So yeah, I'm going to crack on now.
So it looks like you're having a bit of a struggle down there, Sam.
Well, because when you're trying to repair a fence, you've got to put the post back where they came from. So you've got, 12 inches of concrete diameter, 2 feet in the ground. You've got this summer house, this concrete, the deckings, the tree roots. Fencing can be hard work sometimes, and this hole was just taking me a while to get out, but we're winning now. So once this one's set, we can string a line and away we go. People say, why don't you use Postcrete? The reason is because it's mega expensive compared to this stuff. And if you have any left over, you can use it for different things. Over there. In there.
That's it.
Yeah?
Yep.
Okay. As you can see here, we've set our string line quite low to the ground. When I was taught to do fencing, we always put it near the top. But what I found is, when you're marking your holes, you've got to try and, level off your line, which is at the top. But this way, you've got a clear line because you're so close to the ground. See, it's different if you've got shrubs, and you can't get a clear line through. But in this instance, we're low to the ground, the post is there, and we can plumb it up both ways. It's all good when it's low to the ground.
So Sam, we've had a casualty, haven't we?
We have. My poor old digging tool, look, hit something very hard. You see how bent it is. And then to make matters worse, the handle snapped off. So I'll see if I can straighten that and add some new handles on it. It will live to fight another day, I'm sure. Right, so we've got these 3 panels in with the 4 posts. It's been a struggle because we've had to go directly on top of the old posts. What I would advise to people is always go for concrete posts and gravel boards because of the longevity of this. You've got no wood in contact with any ground then, and it will last a lot longer. I would give these at least 10 or 12 years anyway. With concrete, you can slot them in and slot them out once they've gone rotten.